Hello, it's been a while. Today I'm going to show you a new project I've been working on. This one. It's a replication of Garmin's GI275. The GI275 is Garmin's solution for a replacement for the old steam gauges on the older planes, I think. As you can see, it's rounded. It's a round instrument, and I don't know how much you know about the G275. People say the G275 is just another version of G5, or they split G5 into different ones because GI275 have different configurations, and you can have multiple GI275 working together. This one is standard configuration. They call it ADI, the attitude directional indicator. They also have configuration for HSI, MFD, and EIS, the engine instruments. So they can work together. You can put them together in the cockpit, and I would say it's more like a G1000. Very powerful. It's colorful, powerful, and these touch screen gauges. And people say it's more like a G5. I don't know much about G5 since I know. I'm more familiar with G1000. I would say it's actually a smaller version of G1000, even better than the G1000. I would say it's more beautiful and very compact. I see on new Cessna 172s they have already replaced the 3 standby instruments to only one GI275, because you already have everything on a single gauge. You have attitude, you have altitude, and airspeed, and even heading indication. That's where I got inspiration that to make our own hardware and software for this new gauge. See, it'll be like this on a Cessna. What a beautiful one. And I've already programmed everything inside, running on this board. You see everything you see is real. It actually works, but it's not connected to any flight simulators. Now it's just running on a demo mode to show how it works. It's you see it's a touch screen gauge, and everything works. And but the case is not a GI275 case. It's like airspeed indicators case. On a GI275, it's a bigger knob here. The Garmin style bigger knob, the Garmin style dual knob with a push button. I'll work on that later. And this time I'm making it work on both platforms. This one is running on Android, as you may already know, and it also works on iPhone, and it's the same. I hope I can release this app soon. But at least for the first release, it won't including everything, because like I said, it's basically a G1000. Very powerful, very comprehensive functionalities included. Maybe the first version is just the ADI, or with the syntactic version, syntactic vision. The problem I have is that I don't have enough references for me to program everything inside this GI275. Basically, I have the user manual from Garmin, which is very detailed, very comprehensive manual, but it's not enough for me to program everything, especially for those settings. There are a lot of settings in this gauge, just like G1000. I need to see them work in details. I need to see how they can be set. Unfortunately, it's very hard to find all those on the internet. I see a lot of people, a lot of pilots shooting the review videos for GI275, and I have some of the reference, so I can program some of that. Like I can do the menu, but I don't know all the sub menus for them, and how the settings can be set. So if you have any chance to shoot a small videos for the GI275, especially how the settings are working in details, if you can send those videos to me, I will be really appreciate. It'll be very helpful for my development for this app, for this new gauge. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this one. I really like that. I can even put it on my desk and see it's moving. It's very, I would say, comforting for me. It's really beautiful. I hope you like that too. And I'm working on it. I hope I can release the app, release this piece of hardware soon. See you later, and Happy New Year.